Being huge MCU fans, we always planned to build a YouTube channel around Marvel movies. When we started creating videos, we had no idea what we were going to do. We always wanted it to be entertaining, but at the same time, we wanted our videos to be knowledgeable as well. Today, we are finally starting with a brand new series of videos which will not only take a deeper look at all the MCU characters' lives, but also helps in understanding how you can implement their qualities to your growth and success. And as always, everything with MCU starts with one and only Tony Stark. Today we are going to analyze 10 life lessons that we can learn from Tony Stark. You're watching Super Duo, let's begin the video. Number 10. Life is all about learning from your mistakes. Tony Stark was known for many things, but best thing about him was that he always learned from his mistakes and failures. In life, we need to pay attention to understand why we failed in something. Not to crib, but to learn how we can improve. And Tony always did that. We can see how he keeps on upgrading and reconfiguring his suits. Remember the time Tony's suit got hurt badly by Ivan's electrified whips? He remembered that and upgraded it to absorb power sources, which we can see in Avengers when he gets hit by Thor's lightning. His suit absorbs the energy and weaponizes it, and later till Endgame he further upgraded it even more to quantify the effect of the hit. Another example is when he added a parachute to Peter's suit, which was a learning from his very first flying mistake. Or when he upgraded Peter's suit to be able to breathe in space in Infinity War, which was a direct learning from the time he couldn't breathe while carrying the nuke out of New York. Life is always about learning from your mistakes. It's about not giving up when you fail, but trying to improve from the learnings of your failures. Number 9. Bring out your best by using your energy the right way. We always see Tony struggling to come up with solutions to newer problems. Whenever he is in trouble, we see him working to solve it. We never see him stressed and just overthinking about any issue. He always works on the things which worry him. Like the time in Endgame when he wanted to keep his family safe but help his team as well. Instead of getting worried or overthinking, he used that time to create the time travel GPS bracelet. This is the right way to channelize your energy for your betterment. If you are worried about something, instead of overthinking on it, try to take the smallest step that you can towards solving it. It can be just listing down your problems and then trying to come up with the simplest thing that you can do towards solving just one of them. One little step at a time. Number 8. Know your strengths and weaknesses. Throughout the years, Tony has introspected himself very nicely. He knows what his strengths and weaknesses are. He also knows who is more fitting for the job other than himself.
Set up, boss.
Oh, actually, he's the boss. I just pay for everything and design everything and make everyone look cooler.
That's why he has never been seen taking command and instead every time refers Steve Rogers as the leader. This is because he knows he is not the right fit for leading a team. Instead of blabbering all the time, he studies personalities and understands what others have to offer and thus implicates it. Another example is using Bruce Banner's knowledge and experience in everything they do together, whether it is trying to locate Tesseract or while building Ultron. Although he is the genius in the team, he knows and accepts the fact that he is not the only one. Everyone we meet knows something that we don't. So listen, observe, realize your weaknesses and let their strength teach you something. Number 7. Doing risk assessment. Do you ever have that feeling of what if this doesn't work out? While too much overthinking is not good, but when used in the right way it can be really helpful. Tony understands that no plan is foolproof. There is always a need to do risk assessment on everything done by him, especially when humanity's future depends on it. For example, Tony actually builds a Hulkbuster suit with the help of Banner well before the events of Age of Ultron to control the Raging Hulk. Before that, he even had an Iron Legion for a situation like that, or when it was about operating the suit without him being present at the situation. Although Tony has made a few mistakes when it comes to risk assessment, like when he was under Wanda's spell and thought about creating Ultron for saving the world. He did not think about what if Ultron turns out to be the bad guy, and which actually happened. But here's the thing, there is no such thing as the perfect plan. So always remember to do a risk assessment, think about what could go wrong, and be prepared for the worst case scenario. Number 6. Believe in yourself. Tony was able to achieve all the things in his life by having the ability to believing in himself. His belief majorly came from the confidence that he had, which was directly proportional to how knowledgeable he was. On top of that, he was always ready to work hard, non-stop, and most of the time without sleeping. He built the first Iron Man suit in a cave with minimal equipments and a lot of restrictions. Though initially the belief in Tony was put to test by Yinsen, but once he realized what he had to do, he straight away started working towards it without thinking about failure. Later on, he even tried to make Peter understand this, that if without the suit he is nothing, then perhaps he shouldn't have it.
Out, I'm gonna need the suit back.
For how long?
Forever. Yeah, let's
No, please, Mr.
Let's
Stark,
have it.
you don't understand. Please, this is all I have. I'm nothing without this suit.
If you're nothing without this suit, then you shouldn't have it, okay?
Tony believed that he was Iron Man, which is why he always quoted it in all of the movies.
Truth is, I am Iron Man.
Remember to believe in yourself and back that belief with confidence and knowledge, because what we believe is what we become. Number 5. Know your value. Tony always knew his worth. He was not just a guy with an iron suit, he was a genius, a billionaire, a playboy, and a philanthropist. So when he quoted this to Steve in their very first interaction, he was not just blabbering things.
Take that off, what are you?
Genius, billionaire, playboy, philanthropist.
He always knew what his value was and what he was bringing to the team. He tried to teach these same values to Peter Parker as well. He never let someone degrade him or bring him down saying he was not worthy enough. Let it be Captain America or the God of Thunder himself. Every human being is unique in a way or another. The time you took to become the person you are right now has not been spent by anyone else. You hold your worth just not by the materialistic things you have in your life. You can be valuable to someone by sharing the same emotions or philosophy of life. Remember, people will treat you the way you allow them to treat you. You hold the power to show them what you are worthy of. Number 4. Don't be dependent on technology. What made Tony Stark amazing was his ability to use the technology according to his requirements. But he never simply depended on it. The best example is when he made his first suit Mark I in a cave. He worked with what he had and still came out as a winner. Also, he proved that he can fight without his suit as well in Iron Man 3. Many times we forget that technology is something which is there to assist us and make our work easier. But we forget that for taking the advantage of any technology, there has to be the base, the work that we have to do ourselves. Now before we get to the top 3, make sure you participate in the ongoing giveaways on our channel. Here's a list of all of our upcoming giveaways, which includes Avengers action figures on every 5000 subs mark we cross. A major giveaway will be when we cross 50,000 subs. And for participation, all you have to do is be a subscriber, leave a like on the video and comment below your best moment from the video. Now let's get back to the video. Number 3. Always prepare ahead. Tony always planned ahead. He knew that he could not solve an equation without knowing the variables.
I can't do the equation unless I have all the variables.
Which is why he always did his homework. Tony held a master's degree in physics and electronic engineering, but in Avengers he explained concepts of thermonuclear astrophysics to the team, which is because he studied about it overnight.
When did you become an expert in thermonuclear astrophysics?
Last night.
That's how he always prepared. Another example is when Avengers were figuring out how Loki will carry out the whole plan, Stark already knew what he was up to. He was able to figure it out by studying the work of Erik Selvig. Planning and preparing ahead gives a sense of confidence which can be built up into new ideas and action pretty easily. Always remember to plan ahead in every major thing you do in your life. Number 2. Sacrifices are important to protect the things you love. Tony Stark loved Pepper and he admitted that. He was willing to work extra hours instead of sleeping or relaxing to protect her. Tony was always willing to go that extra mile just to keep the people in his life safe, whether it be Pepper, Rhodey or Peter. He constantly kept upgrading Peter's suit for new technology. When Rhodey was injured, he took it as a personal responsibility to make sure he got cured ASAP. Also, he built a suit for Pepper as well. He knew the importance of these people in his life. Tony was always willing to sacrifice his comfort when it was about those he loved. In the end, he sacrificed his life for the people he loved the most. Nothing comes easy, especially relationships. We all want to achieve something or perhaps someone in our life. And that is only possible by being ready to sacrifice your comfort and being dedicated towards achieving it. Number 1. Be your true self. Tony Stark embraced what his true self was. He never tried to hide it or lied about it. Even when he had a script to stick to, he confessed in front of the media that he was Iron Man. Tony did not only believe that he was Iron Man, he embraced his true identity. Hiding behind filters and hating the body you were born in or hating the place you come from is becoming a casual thing. Don't be part of that crowd, but love your true self. Tony was different from the rest of the Avengers. He was never part of the crowd. He had a personality and he flaunted it. He was never ashamed about not having the godly powers or the strength from the super serum. He loved what he was, and he was Iron Man until the very end. Although there are a lot more things that we can learn from Tony Stark, but these were the top things that we could think of. I'm hoping if you play this back, it's a lot more knowledgeable than just fun. If you think we missed something important, do let us know in the comments. I hope we got most of the things right, and I hope somehow this helps you guys towards reaching your perfect life goals. If there ever was such a thing. God, what a world. Thank you guys for watching this video till the end. These were the top 10 life lessons from Tony Stark. If you liked the video, do give it a thumbs up and also don't forget to hit the subscribe button. It motivates us to work harder towards the next video. Thank you for being part of our super awesome YouTube community. You were watching Super Duo. See you guys in the next video.